Hello and welcome to PowerBITrek tutorial for DAX. In this video, we will learn about quick measures in Power BI. We will see how we can calculate the month, quarter, and year change without writing any DAX formula manually. And in our previous videos, we learned about date difference and dates between DAX functions. We have created measures and calculated columns using these functions. And if you're watching this video for the first time, please do check out the previous videos of this playlist to learn more about time series stacks in Power BI. And we have other playlists created for data visualizations from basics to advanced, in which you will learn how we can design graphs and format the visuals using formatting options. And we have another playlist for end-to-end Power BI dashboard design and creation tutorial in which you will learn how to create very interactive and dynamic dashboards for a given data set. So you'll find the links for these two playlists in the description box. Please do check out that. And also, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and share with your friends who want to learn Power BI and data analysis. So let's see what is a quick measure in Power BI. Quick measures are pre-built calculations that allows user to quickly create commonly used calculations without writing complex stacks, that is data analysis expressions, formulas from scratch. They are designed to expedite the process of creating common analytical measures such as totals, averages, and other aggregations by providing user-friendly interface. So basically, quick measures actually are pre-built calculations in Power BI, and you don't have to write any DAX formula here manually. The Power BI will calculate the selected selected calculation by user automatically, and it will generate the formula by its own. So you don't have to modify anything in that, or you don't have to create or write any DAX formula there. So let's see how we can achieve that in Power BI. So before that, I would like to show you what data I have loaded into Power BI. So let me go to the data pane here. So we have a financial data that we used earlier in the previous videos, and I'm going to use the same data set. Within that, we have data that is financial data, and we have a sales column here and date column. Uh, and we have other columns as well, that is product, profit, and segment wise. And we have others such as like units sold, week number, and country. So we're gonna use this data set to see how we can create a quick measures on particular field in this data set, and we'll try to calculate the month and quarter and year change in this. So suppose you want to look at the sales amount, that is month change and quarter change and year change across like sales using the date column. So you can do that. So let's go ahead and create one quick measure for this. So if you see these two options, that is we have a new measure and quick measure. So in this case, we'll go with the quick measure, and we'll try to create a measure using like using this functionality or feature in Power BI, and without writing any DAX formula. So I'll just click here. So moment you click on the quick measures, you'll get this option that is calculations. And uh, under calculations, you need to select the calculation from the drop down list. So once you click on the drop down, you'll get these many options like aggregate per category. So you'll get the aggregations functions under this. And if you want to look at the filter functions, you can use this option, and you have a time intelligence DAX functions under this tab. And you can calculate the totals and other mathematical operations. So in this case, I will select the calculation as month change. So we are going to find out the month change for the sales. So I just select this one, month change. So under this calculation, so you'll get two fields, that is base value and the date. So our base value should be the sales since we are going to calculate the sales percentage change. So I'll just bring the sales field from our data set that is here. So into this and date. We have to bring the date column that we have in our data set here. If you see the date column, financial date. So I'll bring this date to this field. And if you just observe that when I click, the moment I click on this add button, it will generate a DAX formula automatically. And this formula looks bit complex to understand. It is actually far different from what we write manually. So we don't have to worry about this tax formula. It will give us the accurate value that is sales month or month percentage change. So I'll just click somewhere here on the black and I'll just minimize this. And you can see this under financial data table. We have created the new measure using the quick measure functionality in Power BI, that is sales month or month percentage. So I will show you this one in the matrix form. So let me expand this one. Wait. So I'll create one blank matrix here so that I can show you the values what we created. So in the blank matrix, I will bring the date column first under rows. And since we are looking at the month or month change, so I just remove the date and quarter. We'll keep the year and month only. So I'll just expand this one and I'll bring the sales amount that is that we have a column that under values so that we can see it very easily what is the percentage change. So then I will bring the newly created measure using the quick measures functions. Using the quick measures, that is I just select this one and sales month or month percentage to values again. So you see, we have a percentage change between the 2 months. That is, let's say, it will compare the current month with the previous month, and it will give the percentage change. And if you look at this data for year 2022, in month of September, the sales amount was almost 44 lakhs 84,000, and in month of October, it is actually went up, that is 92 lakhs 95,000. So it is an increase, right, in the sales amount. So it shows the percentage increase. So that is 107.31% increase in the sales amount. So our sales increased between like these 2 months, that is from September to October, by almost 107.31%. And if we see in November month, it is actually declined since October. In October, we had almost 92 lakhs around, and in November, it is went down to 72 lakhs. So almost there is a 22% decline in the sales between October and November. So like this, you can just observe the data month or month, and you can see the percentage change in the sales amount till the last month. So similarly, we will try to calculate the quarter change. So I'll just copy this matrix and I'll paste here. So in this case, we will create a new measure for quarter or quarter percentage change. So I'll just remove this measure and I will just remove this date field and I'll bring the date column again to the rows. And this time I will keep the year and quarter so that it will be easy to understand the data. So I'll just remove this. So you see, you are seeing the total sales amount per quarter. So in 2022, we have only data for Q3 and Q4, and in 2023 we have data for all the quarters, and 2024 we have data for only Q1. So let's go to the quick measure and calculate the quarter or quarter percentage change. So I'll just expand this one. So this time we will change the calculation as quarter over quarter change. So I'll select this one. So rest all will be the same, that the base value will be sum of sales. So sales field you have to bring here, and a date, under date field you have a date column. So I'll just click add here. So uh, again it will create a DAX formula automatically for sales quarter or quarter percentage change. So I'll click somewhere else and I'll just minimize this one. So here under financial data table, you can see we have created another measure that is for sales quarter to quarter percentage. So I'll bring this one to this metric. So we just go here. So this will compare the percentage change between the current quarter and the previous quarter. And if you see in Q3, we had almost 44 lakhs 84,000 sales, which in 2022 year. And in Q4, in the same year, Q4, we had almost 2 crore 19 lakhs 31,000 sales, and that is actually the sales amount is increased. The sales increased from Q3 to Q4, and you see the percentage increase here. That is 389% increment. This is almost like 400% increment since Q3 in Q4. So this is how you can compare the quarter or quarter percentage change using the quick measures tax formula. So we'll try to calculate the year or year percentage change similarly in same way. So I'll just copy this one and I'll paste here. So I will remove the sales quarter or quarter percentage from this field, and I will keep the year only so that we can just look at the data easily. So we have 3 years, that is 22 and 2022 and 2023 and 2024. So again, I will go to the quick measure. I'll expand the quick measure field pane, and here I will change the calculation as year or year change, and the rest of the things will be the same. That is base value as sales, and date column should be a date column. The date field should be a date column, and I just create add here. So once you click on add, it will create the measure automatically as usual, as we saw previously. And if you see, it gives us the sales, that is year or year percentage change. So I'll just click somewhere else, and so you can see the financial data table. Under financial data table, we have created, that is sales year or year percentage change. So I'll just bring this to values, and so this measure will compare the year or year change. So it will compare the 2023 sales with 2022 and 2024 with 2023. So this is how it will go. And if you see, in year of 2023, we had almost 250% sales increment since the last year, that is 2022. And in year 2024, we had almost the sales amount is declined. The minus value indicates that it's a decline in sales. That is almost 97% decline in year of 2024 since year 2023. So this is how we can compare the month or month, quarter or quarter, and year or year percentage change for any metric. For uh, for any metric you want to calculate. So in this case, we just looked at the sales percentage change, and you can use the same formulas, same method for other metrics as well. So I hope this concept is clear about the quick measures, and I guess you will be able to create any quick measures which are available in this feature. So if you like this video, I would request you to subscribe to the channel and hit like button and do comments whatever you feel about this video, and share with your friends and family so that they will also watch the video and learn new techniques in Power BI. Thank you.